Whether or not you already have a website, you can create a lead capture page in Builderall in order to get more local clients. You probably already produce a newsletter or a blog or do some type of advertising to generate interest in your product or service. With Builderall, it's basically the same thing, except you're doing it online. You create a website, you capture leads, you engage with the leads through email and social media, you make an offer, and then wash, rinse, repeat. There are many other tools in Builderall to enhance your digital marketing efforts. These include browser notifications, a chatbot, a cell phone app, a webinar creator, and many, many more.